Hi everybody, I just opened a package I received from 3 Craft Chicks, so I'm going to show you what I got. Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and I saw the Bunny Hop collection on their website and had to rush and grab them. I am loving those little, they look like little chocolate bunnies, but look at the house and the car and all the cute little bunny emblems on the paper. The back of it is sort of a rainbow of all the colors on the paper. I'm going to take you through what's in the paper real quick so you can stop it or slow it down if you want to get a better look. But it's just adorable. Obviously, you're going to see bunnies and chicks and flowers and eggs and all the spring things that you would expect to see in an Easter paper. And all the plaids you would expect to see in a Doodlebug collection. So this one page has 3x4 cut aparts, 4x4, and then a lot of the sentiments on there, but I did get some of the odds and ends that have the sentiments as well. This one paper has the dots on one side and a plaid on the other, and look at all this green grass growing. That'll be pretty paired with the flowers on this side. Here we've got pink on pink, and then other color flowers. These are all carrots with the green plaid on that side. More rainbow stripes, real pretty rainbows, and all the journaling spots on this side. Here's more of the bunnies, all different colors, and then this is pink on pink with some of the icons on their side. These are bunnies and jelly beans. Bunnies and beans, I think that paper is called. I just think it's so pretty. There's the jelly beans. Oh, love the colors. More chicks and more cut aparts. These are the 3x4 cut aparts. We've got more of the rabbits, the Hello Spring, Happy Easter, the chick, Easter's on its way, just all cute things. Love all these tags on the sheets as Doodlebug usually does. I have an idea of what I'm going to do, and it is not a tag mini album. This is the sticker sheet. I actually picked up two because I probably will make more than, I know I'll make more than one album with this. I also decided to get the double-sided Petite Prints cardstock. I just wanted to make sure I had some patterns to go along with everything I had. So I'll go through this fairly quickly. And obviously it's all the colors that Doodlebug is known for. Lemonade or limeade or bubblegum, all the pretty colors. And then I also got the textured cardstock. I've come to the end of my cardstock stash and realized what I have generally is not going to match the paper collection that I'm using. Now, I picked up these bits and pieces, and this one has a lot of the flowers in it. Just hang on one sec, let me show you everything I got. And there we go, just like magic, everything is laid out. So obviously there's a lot of flowers here, but we have some of the tabs, a couple of tags, the Viewmaster circle, and then just some journaling cards and the circles, which of course are great to layer. So that was the Bunny Hop bits and pieces. So let me show you what is next. Okay, I didn't get everything in the collection, but I did get a lot. So here's the chit chat, and here it is all laid out. So you see the larger words, all those sentiments on the right-hand side, which are great for cards. There's the banners, word bubbles, a couple more flowers, but mostly I got it for the larger words because they look great on the page, although I do love those little bunnies. All right, let's clean this away and show you the next bit that I have. So there was so much in here, 98 pieces in these bits and pieces pack. No, there was more than that. Look at the cute little Easter bunnies. They are just so adorable. Love the Easter bunny balloon and the Easter bunny with the little chicks following him, the tower of eggs with the chick on top, the little carrot house. There's a couple other ones that are also adorable. The little bunny in the carrot car. I mean, it's just all wonderful. All right, let me clean this up too. And I realized I should have taken these out of the packs, but here's the Doodle Pop with that cute little carrot little house. See, the door is dimensional. The smokestack is enameled. You can see the enameling on the carrots here for that Doodle Pop for the boy bunny, and then the girl bunny has that Easter basket or the flower basket with all the layers. Lots of layers on the chicks. And then I got some shape sprinkles with the flowers and shape sprinkles with the chickies. I think this one is called chickies. That's why I said that. I also picked up the 6x6 paper pad. So I know that the designs on this are exactly the same as the 12x12. It's just shrunk back down to 6x6. But I like to have the smaller designs for different reasons. You know, sometimes when you're making a book and you use these pages as maybe photo mats or whatever, I just like the smaller design. And two, if I were to do a small mini album or cards, I like the 6x6 paper pad. So I picked that up as well. I think there's 3 of each. There's 24 double-sided cardstock sheets. And then finally, I also got some wonderful goodies. Okay, look at these buttons. There's eggs and chicks and bunnies done in all the colors to coordinate with the Doodlebug paper. Those are just stinking adorable. Here's some more shape sprinkles, the jelly beans, because you need jelly beans for Easter. And then some enamel dots, paper clips to match the collection. Those are gorgeous. Another Doodle Pop. Look at all the different layers on here. There is just so much to go with this collection. I love the shaker pop. I can see that on the cover of an album. It's going to have a place of importance. And have you ever seen these square sequins? Again, the colors match perfectly. And here is a sticker sheet that says Easter, and look at the gorgeous washi tape. It's got bunnies and carrots. I'm going to try to rip some off. Yeah, rip is the operative word here. But anyhow, it's bunnies and carrots. Take my word for it. And I also did pick up a sheet of the heavy-duty acetate with the polka dots to match the collection. I just had a couple of ideas on what I would use that for. Probably should have gotten a couple of pieces, but I just picked that one up. So that is what I picked up from 3 Craft Chicks. This is not an affiliate. I'm not on their design team. I just know that they're wonderful people. They do fast shipping, and they had the entire Bunny Hop collection available. So I have some projects in mind. I will link the 3 Craft Chicks website below. They also have some retreats going on, lots of fun stuff. So I will put that in the description box below so you can check out what they offer. So that's what I wanted to show you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a fabulous day.